Zoning, real simply, you're cooling or heating individual rooms because if it's zoned, then grandma, mother-in-law can have it at 75. Somebody in the family room kitchen may like it at 72, is comfortable. The master bedroom, if there's nobody in it, you can turn it off. And that game room, bonus room above the garage, it was 85, now it's 75. Everybody's comfortable. That's the biggest thing with zoning, is being comfortable in the rooms that you're using and getting the runtime way down. Because if you think about this in a very common sense way, when you come into a room and you turn on a light, you don't turn a light on in every room of the house. You're just wasting energy. I share with people all the time, when we go out and quote jobs, your equipment is only 10 or 15 years old. You don't have an equipment issue. You have a design issue. You need to add zoning, and it doesn't matter if it's residential or commercial. We have a solution if you're trying to save cost on energy and you want different temperatures in different areas. It really fixes a lot of issues and a lot of fights over one thermostat.